The black drongo, scientifically known as Dicrurus macrocercus, is a small passerine bird that belongs to the drongo family, Dicruridae. It is widely distributed across Asia, from the Indian subcontinent to Southeast Asia and parts of China. With its sleek black plumage and striking red eyes, the black drongo is a charismatic bird that captures the attention of birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts alike. The black drongo measures about 28 centimeters (11 inches) in length, including its long, forked tail. It has a slender body with a slightly curved bill and short legs. The male and female birds look similar, with the exception of their eye color. Males have vibrant red eyes, while females have brownish-red eyes. This species is known for its adaptability and can be found in various habitats, including forests, open woodlands, farmlands, and urban areas. It is often seen perched on tree branches, wires, or any elevated spot, from where it can scan its surroundings for insects, its primary food source. The black drongo has a varied diet, which includes flying insects, termites, grasshoppers, and other small invertebrates. One of the fascinating behaviors of the black drongo is its aerial acrobatics. It is an excellent flyer and is known for its swift and agile flight, capable of catching insects on the wing with precision. It can also hover in the air while hunting, similar to a hummingbird. Additionally, the black drongo is an aggressive bird and is known to mob and drive away larger birds, such as crows and raptors, to protect its nesting territory. During the breeding season, male black drongos engage in elaborate courtship displays to attract mates. They perch on prominent branches and perform aerial displays, accompanied by melodious calls and wing fluttering. The female constructs a cup-shaped nest made of twigs, grass, and roots, usually placed in the fork of a tree. Both parents take turns incubating the eggs and feeding the chicks after they hatch. The black drongo's ability to mimic the calls of other bird species is another intriguing aspect of its behavior. It can imitate the calls of other birds to deceive and distract potential predators or competitors. This mimicry behavior also helps the black drongo in foraging, as it can imitate the distress calls of other birds, attracting insects that may respond to the perceived threat. Despite being a common and adaptable species, the black drongo faces some threats, such as habitat loss due to deforestation and agricultural expansion. However, its population remains stable, and it is not currently considered a globally threatened species. In conclusion, the black drongo is a fascinating bird known for its striking appearance, agile flight, mimicry abilities, and aggressive nature. Its adaptability and resilience allow it to thrive in diverse habitats across Asia. Observing a black drongo in action is a treat for bird enthusiasts and a reminder of the remarkable diversity of avian life on our planet.